This is Auditable Multi-Agent Codex, built during OpenAI Build Week with Codex and GPT 5.6. Both demonstrations use the same authentication, GPT 5.6 model, working directory, and user prompt. First, I run Upstream Codex with MultiAgent version 2. The parent creates a child agent, but the generated task is not displayed. After switching to the child, its answer is visible, but the instruction it received remains hidden as ciphertext. I then send a direct follow-up to the child. Upstream rejects it. Next, I run my Codex fork with the collaboration tool changed locally from encrypted to plaintext. The parent displays the exact task generated in its spawn agent call. After switching to the child, that identical instruction appears as an agent message from root, followed by the child's answer. I send the same direct follow-up. The fork accepts it, and the child returns a second sentence. No backend modification was required. Codex receives the collaboration tool call, creates the child thread locally, and forwards the parent-generated task. I used Codex and GPT 5.6 multi-agent workflows to implement and review the Rust tool schema, orchestration, persistence, compatibility, and terminal interface changes. Remote continuous integration verified approximately 12,700 tests. The result restores a readable parent-to-child audit trail for debugging, security review, privacy investigations, and regulated agent workflows, while retaining encrypted delivery as a configurable compatibility mode.